So, friends, good morning again, and thank you for tuning in to our 16th edition of our consumer education series, Nivesh Kar Befikar, presented to you by your reliable brand, PolicyBazaar.com. So, friends, as I already mentioned, today we will be focusing on how you can get the most out of your investments. We are here to ensure that you get the best returns while investing your hard-earned money. Until a few months from now, most of us, even myself, we looked upon bank FDs and other small saving schemes for safe and secure investment. However, the FD rate for customers has been steadily declining. To give you an example, from 7.25% in 2011 to 7.1% in 2014 and finally 5.4% in 2021. So what's the reason behind this decline in in bank FD plans? We'll find out today on the webinar. But apart from that, the main point of discussion here is which plans to focus on. So the question now is where to invest your money to get higher returns. We are here for you with a solution. The guaranteed return plans. These plans offer marginally higher returns than bank FDs and for a longer time period, usually 20 to 25 years. You guys must be wondering, what's the catch in it? What is a guaranteed plan and why are the rates better here? To answer all your queries, along with these, we have our guest expert today on the show, Vivek Jain, who heads our investment business at PolicyBazaar.com. Welcome to the show webinar, Vivek.
Thank you, Peksha. Welcome to all our viewers and attendees.
Before getting into the technical details and all of it, let's tell our consumers here, let's tell our viewers out here, what is a guaranteed plan? What is a guaranteed return plan? इसमें अगर कोई invest करे इसमें तो उसको क्या मिलता है? Like in plain simple language, let's explain to our viewers here.
So Peksha, guaranteed return plans are basically plans that are offered by insurance companies, in which you pay a fixed sum of premium, say either monthly or annually for a particular amount of years, say out for 10 years or 5 years. And then after say 15 years or 20 years or 10 years, you can get a fixed amount of return. And वो जो return जो मिलता है आपको वो guaranteed होता है, 100% guaranteed होता है. You get a bond paper with all the details of what is the return that you are going to get. There are plans available in the market which offer lump sum payout, and you can also choose to get a payout as income. And those are plans that I think a lot of people look at for retirement, because those plans give income for as long as 25-30 years.
One of the questions Jitesh has already asked is which is the best plan for guaranteed returns? Like हम यहाँ पे कुछ examples दे सकते हैं कि कौन से plans available हैं viewers के लिए?
See, Jitesh, I think in terms of best guaranteed return plans, I would say that kind of depends on your need. If so I'll tell you there are, as I mentioned, and I think your question is more related to pension and retirement. So maybe I would talk about long-term guaranteed income plans. So basically, if you're looking for retirement pension plans, then you can look at a couple of plans, one is HDFC Life Sanchay Plus, in which you're paying for 10 years and you wait for a year, and then you get guaranteed income monthly for the next 25 years. So that is a good plan that you can invest in for pension and retirement. The other very good option is, and which is newly launched by Tata AIA Life Insurance. So Tata AIA Life Insurance has a plan called Fortune Guarantee Plus, in which again you pay for 5 years, and after a year you can get income for as long as 45 years. So I think if Jitesh, if you're somebody who's like a 30-year-old or a 25-year-old, I think Fortune Guarantee Plus will be a very, very good option, because you're paying for 5 years and then you can get income for the next 45 years. So almost for the next 50 years, you are locking in your interest rates. And as Peksha had mentioned, that the interest rates in FDs are going down. So if you invest in a FD, you will have a reinvestment risk after 5 years or 10 years. And the interest rates may not be as high as they are today.
So moving on to the next question, Vivek, we'll get into the details of the FD plans and how the rates are going down and all of that. But can you give an example? For example, can you say if I invested $1,000 or $100, how does this plan, like what are the next steps when you invest in this plans? Can you give an elaborate explanation with basic numbers here?
Okay, so see, Apeksha, what happens is, supposing you're paying 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees on a monthly basis for about 10 years. Okay, then there are three key features that I would like to talk about. One is that you, starting from the day one, when you start this plan, you get a life cover equal to 120 times of your monthly premium. So if your monthly premium is 5,000 rupees, you get a life cover of 6 lakhs rupees starting from day one. And that is there throughout your policy term. Okay. The 60,000 rupees that you are investing, that you can claim for deduction under section 80C. Okay. So basically you will be saving on taxes on the premium that you are paying, and also the return that you are getting. You will basically have a tax-free return. And if you want, we can talk about some specific plans as well. So for example, if you're paying for, like I mentioned, Sanchay Plus, and you're paying 5,000 rupees monthly premium for 10 years, the income payout that you will get over the next 25 years is a total of 20 lakhs 85,000 rupees, which is I am giving you an example for a typical 30-year-old customer. So if you're paying about 6 lakhs, you're getting in return about 20 lakhs 85,000, which is about 3 times of what you're paying.
Other than tax free, we also know that when you buy these plans online, the returns are a little higher compared to the offline means. Can you please elaborate a little on that? Because I'm sure given COVID, we would also want to, stay at home and just buy plans with a click of a button. So what else can we get? What are the returns?
Absolutely right. Whenever you are buying these plans online, you should definitely check out these plans online. Why? Because online, when you're buying online, most of the insurance companies are giving about 3 to 4% higher returns. So when I say 3 to 4% higher returns, and I was taking an example of Sanchay Plus, where we were getting about 20 lakhs, 85,000, right? If you're buying that plan offline, maybe you will be getting 20 lakhs, 25,000. So about 50-60,000 rupees, which is almost 1 year of premium that you're getting extra if you're buying that plan online. And that is why one thing that we are seeing, Apeksha, on our portal is that that there is a very, very increased demand of these guaranteed return plans. I think 2-3 things working are, one is yes, they are tax free under section 80C, and they are tax free under section 1010D. So and the returns are also better than FD. There is a benefit of buying online. And of course, given the current scenario, I think people want to avoid contact, and they want to make a contactless payment and a contactless experience, have a contactless experience. So I think that's why we are seeing a lot of traction on these guaranteed return plans on our portal.
Now coming to FDs, which we all invest in, I also have. Can you please help understand ये जो rates उनके गिर रहे हैं, वो what is the reason behind that? And we want to invest in plans that give us better returns, be it today FDs or be it guaranteed return plans tomorrow. But right now, given the situation, the rates are steadily declining. What is the major reason behind that?
See, back in 2014, the rates for FDs were pretty attractive. They were around 8.5%, and now most of banks are offering rates in the range of 5 to 5.5%. Versus these guaranteed return plans are offering rates in returns in the range of 5.5 to 6%, and that too, all of this is tax free. So in a way, if I am in a 20% or a 30% tax bracket, if I invest in a FD, I will be getting returns in the range of 4 to 4.5%. This is after tax adjustment. And if I invest in a guaranteed return plan, I will get about 5.5 to 6%. And one of the reasons why guaranteed return plans are giving better returns than a fixed deposit is that the short-term interest rates have really gone down. If you see, the repo rate has really gone down in the last 12 to 15 months, and that's why the FD rates have gone down. But on the other hand, the long-term interest rates, the long-term government bond rates are still in the range of 6.2, 6.3%. And that's why the insurance companies are able to offer better returns than what bank deposits are offering.
Also, you guys can write into us on the ID Policy Bazaar show @policybazaar.com. We'll pick up and take your queries as well. So you can write in on that ID that I just mentioned. So moving on to our next question, that this is by Devendra. He says, which guaranteed income plan has the highest IRR, best plan to get maturity amount as lump sum?
If you want to take a plan in the lump sum category, I think Bajaj Allianz Guaranteed Income Goal has very, very good returns. And for some of the pay term, policy term combinations, you can also look at Aditya Birla Guaranteed Milestone Plan. So depending on if you want to invest for 10 years or 5 years, these are the two options that you can explore, which is Bajaj Allianz Guaranteed Income Goal and Aditya Birla Guaranteed Milestone Plan.
Absolutely. And you can come to our platform, guys, policybazaar.com. We are there to help you with every detail. So you can just call us and we'll explain to you in case you find it difficult to go through these plans, because sometimes they can be too technical and we may miss out on the nitty-gritties. Going back to Jitesh's question on guaranteed capital guarantee plans, he had a question. He's asking which is the best capital guarantee plan, as per what you explained to him a while back.
So, Jitesh, we have capital guarantee plans available from about 6 or 7 top insurers. And basis historical performance, if you were to see, then Tata AIA Capital Guarantee Solution has the best returns. But that is more on the historical performance that I am talking about. You can go and check out more plans on our website. We have plans from HDFC Life, Bajaj Allianz, Aditya Birla, ICICI Prudential. So you can look at those plans and buy any of those, because the good part about capital guarantee plans is that your premium, the money that you're investing is always safe, irrespective of which insurance company you're buying the plan, and you can get more upside. So, but basis historical returns, Tata AIA has given the best returns in that plan.
Absolutely. Jitesh, you can please write into us on that email ID I mentioned, policybazaarshow @policybazaar.com. We'll definitely address all your queries and we'll make sure that nothing is left unsaid or there's no conversation like if in case this happened earlier. And Vivek, for how long can one lock in the interest rate? Like what if I invest in these plans tomorrow and the rates go down? Will I be getting the same rate of interest for a longer period, or will it like change or depend on the market volatility?
Apeksha, the good part about these plans, unlike FD, is if in a FD you are investing 1 lakh rupees every year for the next 5 years, you will only be able to lock in the return for today's FD. The FD that you will make for next year, it may or may not have the same returns. But in these plans, you can basically lock in your returns for the whole pay term, and actually some of these plans, like I talked about the income plans, there you can lock in your returns for as long as 30 years or 40 years, which is a very, very long term. Right. So I think that is the benefit, that you don't have any reinvestment risk, unlike a FD.
We have another question coming in from Saranya Lakshmi. She says, Vivek, that if I'm buying a policy and I become an NRI in between, will that affect the income of my policy payout? To be precise, will citizenship affect policy payouts in between?
So, there will be no impact on the payout that is happening. The payout will happen in INR itself. So and basically there will be no change in the terms and conditions. Yes, the tax implication in India, these plans are tax free, but in the country that you are moving, you will have to I think check with your CA on what are the rules for that country, because those rules may vary from country to country. But with a lot of countries, India already has a double taxation avoidance treaty. But for your specific country that you're moving to, you will have to check with your CA.
And we have another question coming in from Ayush. He says, please advise an investment plan for senior citizens 69 years of age. Maybe he's referring to his parents. What would you want to recommend him, Vivek?
If you have a lump sum corpus, you can look at investing in an annuity plan. and I am if I am assuming that this is for your parents, you can go for a immediate annuity plan, because if they are already 69, maybe where you will invest a lump sum amount, say about 10 lakh rupees, and you will start getting pension from the next month till the time that the policy holder is alive. And in this, there are very interesting variants, which are the most commonly bought on our platform. Is basically the joint life variant with return of the invested amount. What happens there, Ayush, in that case is that supposing you're paying 10 lakh rupees and you're buying the policy in your parents' name, both your father and mother, primary annuity holder, say if it is your father, he will get pension throughout his lifetime. Then your mother will get pension for her lifetime, and then the amount invested will come back to you after their death. So basically, in a way, you are getting you are getting pension for lifetime for your parents, and then the invested amount is also coming back.
Coming to the earlier question on senior citizen, Vivek, what would you say is the best investment plan for them on a regular monthly income wise?
If you are looking at a lump sum paying once and getting income for lifetime, then there are plans from HDFC Life new immediate annuity. That basically there you can pay once and you can get income for lifetime, and the invested amount can go back to your nominee. There are plans, interesting plans from ICICI Prudential as well on this front. Again, Apeksha, similar to what happens in the guaranteed return plans, where you get about 3 to 4% extra returns when you're buying online. Even in annuity plans, that benefit is still there. So in annuity plans also, you get about 1 to 2% higher monthly income when you're buying online. And that is why annuity, even though the ticket size is very, very high, has started seeing a lot of traction on our platform.
Absolutely.
Because buying online gives you a benefit of additional income.
And transparency also is maintained, right? By buying online, there's no chance of any fraudulent, any miscalculation or anything of that sort. Vivek, there are a lot of questions pouring in on.
I think on that point, I think Apeksha, very good point that you made. So anybody who's looking for a investment plan or for a savings plan, they should definitely come and compare on our portal. They may buy and they may not buy, they may choose not to buy, or they may choose to defer their program to plan. But they should come and definitely compare on our platform, because one, we believe in giving an unbiased review. So it doesn't matter to us if you're buying a particular insurance company versus the other. We would always want to optimize for the customer and tell you what is the best option available. This is your requirement. So it is always good to compare, and Policybazaar is a platform which kind of provides the unbiased comparison basis historical returns or basis the guaranteed returns that you're getting. So definitely,
absolutely, and we are there for any query that you have. If you cannot understand while you're going through these plans and comparisons, we're always there to help. But like Vivek said, it's all out there in the open. There's no one telling you, guiding you, or coaching you as to which plan you should buy. It's you who's doing the reading. It's you who's going through the guidelines. So it's all there in front of you to make a choice, and there's proper transparency being maintained here. Lots of questions coming in, Vivek. Let's take them. I think we have one question on the annuity side, like you mentioned. Vishal says, is there any difference between secondary income plans and annuity pension plans from the perspective of tax returns for section 1010D? Yeah.
Annuities are taxable, unlike the guaranteed return plans. So guaranteed return plans, because they have a life cover equal to 10 times of your annual premium, the income that you get from guaranteed return plans is tax free. But on the annuity side, you are paying once and your income is for lifetime, but that income is taxable. But the good part is that again, you don't have any reinvestment risk when you're buying an annuity. You buy an annuity today, so even if you are a 50-year-old or a 55-year-old, you buy an annuity today, and if you're alive till 90 or 95, that pension rate will not reduce, even if the interest rates on FDs go down, even if the repo rates goes down in the future. And one thing that maybe we want to talk to our attendees, is if we look at developed markets like Singapore or UK or the US, the interest rates on FDs is as low as 1% or 1.5%. So as our Indian economy also matures and becomes more developed, these interest rates are bound to go lower. So I think annuities that way is also a very, very good option for senior citizens to lock in their pension for their lifetime.
Seeing some questions coming in from first-time investor Gaurav. That's a good question actually. He says he's a fresher and mostly I've invested in FD and which are giving 7% as of now in small finance bank. I'm 28 years old and want to invest for long term. It's a great thing to see that people are looking at long term investments as well. Kindly suggest best diversified plans for investment up to 10k per month.
So I think very, very good point that and it's good that people are looking at investing early.
Yes.
At the age of 28. So I think you can go for any of the capital guarantee plans that we have available because I think one, there is no risk to the amount that you're investing there, and you will be getting a market upside. And there I think based on historical performance, Tata AIA has a very, very strong return and a fund performance. So you should definitely look at investing in a capital guarantee plan.
We have another question coming in from Sagar. He says, one important reason that we invest in bank FD is liquidity, wherever you want. Fair point. Are there any features in guaranteed return plans as well? Can I have my money back if there's an emergency arises and if I need my invested money back?
So Apeksha, I think this is something that was long standing from consumers, and that's why Tata AIA has come out with a plan called Fortune Guarantee Plus, which is a single premium plan. You pay once and you wait for 5 years and you can get income for the next 45 years, right? But if at any point of time you want to basically exit the plan and withdraw the money, there are no surrender charges in this plan, and you can withdraw the money even in the 5 years of waiting period. The only thing that will get deducted is the GST that will get applied. And even after the policy term, and basically even after the 5 years waiting period is over and your income has started, you can basically take the future incomes in a net present value. So that income is also liquid, and you can take out a lump sum anytime you want, even in the income period.
We've spoken a lot about the guaranteed return plans, how they offer better returns, FDs, the rates are going down, and every elaborate detail has been given. Can we also talk about what if one wants to understand why should I not invest in a pure term plan and go for these? What is the difference?
So see, a pure term plan.
While the purpose is different, I completely understand, but it's always good to elaborate our listeners as to what purpose.
So the purpose of buying a term plan is very, very different from buying a guaranteed return plan or a ULIP plan. See, a pure term plan basically offers pure protection, that in case something happens to you while you are kind of earning and while your family is dependent on you, there is a lump sum money that gets paid out to your family and your nominee. So a term plan is a must, I think, for everybody who's there on this panel. Basically, term plan, and especially if you should buy that early, because I think the premiums are much lesser when you're buying it early versus if you buy it later, the premiums are much higher. So a term plan is something that is kind of a necessity, especially in the kind of setups that we have now in modern era. We have a very nuclear family, and typically there are one or two people on whom the whole family is kind of dependent. Earlier we used to have joint families where even if something happens to you, there are people around who can look after your family. But now, given we are also moving to a nuclear family kind of a setup, I think term insurance is very, very important. On the other hand, guaranteed return plans are basically plans to invest and save your hard-earned money and to get returns which are guaranteed, better than FD, and they are also tax-free. And on top of that, you're also getting an additional life cover. So life cover is more of an addition than you should never buy maybe a guaranteed return plan only for the life cover.
Absolutely. For that, you have a term plan that you should focus on. And thank you, everyone. We have actually come to the end of our session. Thank you, all the attendees, and thank you, Vivek, for such an insightful session. I hope we clarified most of the questions that came in our on the chat box. And please write into us on the on the ID Policy Bazaar show at @policybazaar.com. We'll be back next Friday with another interesting topic and subject to help clarify all your doubts. Thank you, everyone.